Hi guys, this is Goddess Gal. Today I have something really cute to unbox, and it is Dior lip balm. I'm so excited to try this on. By the way, this one, when it first came out in my country, is sold out everywhere in the stores online in 1 hour. So this is a rare item in my country, so I would like to do the review, and I just got my hand on it. So let's unbox it. Oh my god, let's unbox. Ah! You gotta have the logo Dior. Oh my god, smell nice too. Oh my god, they give you a gift card. Oh, it's a receipt. Oh my god, it's so luxurious. This one is this box. God, oh my god, the bowl. Oh my god, everything. Oh my god, the bowl looks so cute. I don't want to take it off, but do we have to? I think we have to. What the hell is this? I think it's just a card. It's so... Oh my god, I love it. This is a lip balm, so cute. Oh my god, so this is Dior Rouge Floral Rib Care Balm. I ordered the Chador Absolute, and I'm gonna do the review for this one. So excited. I'm also get the tester for the cream. By the way, for this one, I don't know the price in US, but what I bought here is $50. In my country, there's a lot of taxes, so it's definitely pricier than US, UK price or whatever. So, looks so luxury. I'm gonna take it off. Oh my god. It's so sturdy, beautiful, classic. The packaging reminds me of the Dior Addict. This is the first time that I tried the lipstick products. So stunning. Oh my god, it's a lot. It's 3.5 grams. It's not a lot. It's really pricey where I bought it. Normally, I bought the lip balm for like $3, and this is a $50. Let's try it on. I think the shape looks interesting too. Oh my god, it looks so luxurious. By the way, last week I tried a Pat McGrath lip balm. It's definitely more oily than this. This one I would say is kind of comfortable, not too oily. It's moisturizing, definitely. I couldn't smell anything. Smell like beeswax, regular beeswax, but not smelly. It's comfortable for my first impression. Alright guys, right now it's 5 p.m. and I'm gonna finish my makeup, and I'm gonna do the wear test and gonna see if I like it, how good it feels. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna use a lip liner Roll by MAC and the Kat Von D liquid lipstick Ludwig. The lip liner glide on so easily. It's really easy. Some balm would like interrupt when you apply the lipstick because it's too oily, if you ask me. But this one definitely like doesn't do that. And I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick. I feel like I wanna put a lot to see if like is this gonna give a moisturizing, because liquid lipstick is kind of dry. Oh my god, lipstick glides on so beautifully. Oh my god, maybe this 50 bucks worth something. Alright guys, another check-in. Right now it's 2 a.m. so I tried this one for the whole day. I used to try the other balm, the other brand before, and that one was so oily, and when I apply the liquid lipstick, it makes my liquid lipstick like dry kind of slower. It would take like 1 hour for the lips to dry, but for this one, it's really comfortable on the lips. It's not too oily, it's comfortable, the packaging, the brand is great. For this one, after I apply the liquid lipstick, after that like around 30 minutes, my liquid lipstick dry and it's really comfortable throughout the day. It's not too dry, and right now my lips are a little bit dry. I ate a lot today, but for my opinion, it makes my lipstick go so smooth and not too oily. So I think this one is a great product. I'm also curious to try this one at night also. So if I come back, then maybe I should do that as well. So that's it guys, my quick review for this Dior lip balm. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.